Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thanks so much for coming by. I just thought I would do a quickie today with FabFitFun add-ons. So every season when we have a box, they open up an add-on shop where you can get additional products at up to 70% off. And if you are a select member, you can do that today. If you are a seasonal member, it will be 3 more days. It's not until the 30th that you can get in and do your add-on selections. So what I thought I would do is when they open the shop and I go in to make my selections, I would get a couple ideas of spoilers for you guys and sneak peeks of things that you can add to your box when you have access. The FabFitFun box, for those of you who don't know, is a lifestyle seasonal box that comes out 4 times a year, and it's $49.95 and it's $44.95 if you sign up for annual membership. And as an annual, you get access to everything early. You get access about 3 days early to both the add-on shop and to customizations. And also with customizations as an annual, you generally get to choose 5 of your products instead of just 3 if you're a seasonal. If you have any interest, I have my link below. Let's get into what I have gone through and seen as a few of the add-ons that I thought I would sneak peek for you guys. This is what they look like. Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Conditioning Hair Caps for $19. Kate Spade New York Gold Stripe Pencil Pouch for $19. The Beauty Blender Beauty Blusher for $7. The Milk Makeup Holographic Stick for $14. Marrakesh Skin Hemp Seed Body Butter Trio for $7. NCLA So Rich Vitamin E Pumpkin Spice Cuticle Oil for $9. The R & Co Park Avenue Blowout Balm for $9. Milk Makeup Lip Vinyl, 3 colors available, $12. The My Tagalong 99 Bobby Pins Hair Tool Organizer, $7. Dr. Brandt Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask, $19. The Wander Beauty Glow Getter Mist for $11. The Juice Beauty Green Apple Peel Sensitive for $14. Erna Laszlo Sea Mud Deep Cleansing Bar, $14. And the Erna Laszlo Hydrotherapy Memory Sleep Mask, $39. Dr. Brandt DNA Triple Peptide Eye Cream, $24. Marrakesh Skincare 100% Pure Argan Oil, $9. Millie Rose Modern Nude Lip Kit, $17. And the Bios Apothecary Cucumber Puffy Eye Serum is $17. Okay, so if you're a select member, the add-ons are open. Go get them. And if you are a seasonal member, they open for you on the 30th. There were definitely a few things in there that had to go in my cart. All right, everybody, so that's what we know for now. And please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. And I will see you on the 29th with our additional customization spoilers. Bye, guys.